Hello dear students, today we will study chapter 4, that is in the earlier cities, and it is part of your history book. So as you can see on the left side there is a map and it shows that most of the Indus Valley civilization region or the Harappan civilization region lies in the present day Pakistan. Some of the regions are even found in India and it is like a continuous discovery going on. Some of the sites are even being discovered now, and recently one of the site was discovered in Haryana as well. So let us start with the story of Harappa, how the first city of Indus Valley civilization was discovered. So it was about 150 years ago when the Britishers started to lay down the railways in India. So some of the engineers found this site, and to them it was just a site with full of good quality bricks. So they asked the laborers to carry the bricks from there to another site for construction, and it caused a lot of damage to the buildings which were found at that time. But about 80 years ago, some of the archaeologists started taking care of this place, and they discovered the first oldest city in the subcontinent, which was known as Harappa. And this city is even considered as the capital city of the Indus Valley civilization. So all the other cities where the buildings similar to Harappa city were found, they were also considered to be the part of Harappan civilization. So what was the special about these Harappan cities? First of all, we must try to understand that this was the civilization which is also called as the urban civilization. Why? The cities of this civilization are very similar to the present day cities, and even we can say the cities which were present at that time were far better in planning to our cities right now. The drainage system and so many other features in the cities were very good. We can even learn from that time to store water presently. So most of the cities were divided into two parts, Citadel and the lower town. Citadel was constructed on the west side and it was constructed on a higher place, and it was very smaller as compared to the lower town. Lower town was a larger area, but it was constructed in the east as well as it was constructed in the lower area. So the walls of baked bricks were built around each part. So दोनों ही part Citadel और lower town में दोनों ही regions में walls construct की गई थी, which were made up of baked bricks, and the bricks were so well baked that they have lasted for thousands of years. So बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की bricks यूज़ की गई थी, बड़े अच्छे तरीके से इनको बेक किया गया था, and due to this reason they even lasted for a long period of time, as you can see, thousands of years. The bricks were laid in an interlocking pattern, and that made the walls strong. In some cities special buildings were constructed on the citadel. So कुछ cities ऐसे थे जहाँ पर कुछ special buildings भी constructed की गई थी. For example, if we take example of Mohenjo-daro, so Mohenjo-daro was also a very important city of Harappan civilization, and when this site was discovered initially, the laborers who were working at that site, they discovered a huge pile of the human skeletons. They were even scared because of it, but after some time the work continued there and the further remains were found. So a special tank was constructed in Mohenjo-daro in the part of Citadel, which was known as Great Bath, or it is the name given by the archaeologist, and it is believed by the archaeologists that this great tank or great bath was used at the time of special occasions by the special peoples, and it was very well constructed. It had proper network for getting the water. It was supported with the water supply, and the walls which were constructed in this tank were even plastered, and it even had a layer of natural tar which made it good for water retention. So some of the cities like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa and Lothal had elaborate storehouses like we can say granaries or storehouses. Granaries is the word which is used, and it was used to store a lot of things, like it can be crops. The farmers, those who used to grow crops at that time, they could also store their things there, their crops. So in this picture you can see this is how the walls were constructed in the Indus Valley civilization, and this is the picture of the Great Path. So there were even the stairs on two sides of the Great Path which led the way to the bottom of this tank. Houses, drains and streets. Houses, drains and streets are very well planned and were constructed all together. So most houses had a separate bathing area and some had wells to supply water. So जितने भी घर वहाँ पे डिस्कवर किए गए उससे ये पता चला कि all the houses were having their separate bathing area, and the floor in the bathing area was even bit slopey so that the water can easily go into the drains. And many cities had covered drains. Like nowadays we do not have covered drains, they are all generally open, even if we compare it with our present day cities, which lead to a lot of diseases to the people. And there were some inspection holes in the drains so that the cleaning of the drains can be done. Each drain had a gentle slope so that water could flow through it. So it was also means they had a good knowledge about the hygiene, maintaining hygiene, and they were having even idea how to maintain the good drainage system. This slope could help in passing of the sewage water or the wastewater easily. And all the drains were smaller drains of the houses were connected to the drains present on the streets. And a bit change was there that nowadays if we see the roads or streets, we find that the drains are laid on the sides of the road. But if we study about the roads of the Harappan civilization, we will notice that the drains were laid down in the middle of the road. So it was a very different aspect, but all the drains were connected from the houses, and smaller drains were connected to the or led to the bigger drains. So houses, drain and streets were well planned and built at the same time. So here is an image you can see. So this is a drain constructed in the middle of the road, and the drains from the houses are connected to the drains on the road as well. Life in the city. Rulers were the people. So at that time rulers were the people, those who planned the construction of the buildings, special buildings in the city. At